Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, put it up. Yes, yo, oh God, yo.
I tell myself, say, if my girl buy weed fair every day, that's no problem because my day in her house and she take me in her house. I mean, and I have nothing right now, so I just don't want to get she involved. You understand? And the matter me I talk about, me not talk about she because the end of the day, me still have a little love for her. Like, but bad. Me not eat her, me not eat her, me not eat her. You know why me can never eat her? Because she set me up and said, girl, yeah, you can come here, come stay, regardless of why you go through that or whatever. Me can't eat her because she set me up and something there and put me. Same like how me say, even though them not stretch on a sauce and a helping and nothing, but then I got, yeah. Me would I do them do or whatever. So me not want nobody think say nobody would have stretches blood clots salsa out for me when me there and I do this to me and I do that. Yeah, I'm back. So and that a blood clot that's so anything nobody wants to them can always say. Me not have to explain nothing. Me not playing a victim because me not look no good name my blood clot from nobody. And that is it. Me not call them the girl phone and tell them say, come do this to me, come help me out and them something that me in a situation. Any day I'm not aboard, I find myself in a my house in a situation. I not even I say food, because food can be a problem in America. I have so much big handbag. Look here, any day I find myself in a situation, me know what to do. Yeah, me know what to do, because none of them. Exactly. People think say because them put you up and you live with them for treat you any type of way, tell you any type of thing, and you just take it. Sometimes you take it, 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 because you don't have no choice. Alright, look on this now. Me used to live with this guy at Jamaica when named Justin. He would have a friend when named Lataya. She give me L, treat my bad, throw my things them outside, pressure me, pressure me, pressure me, pressure me right through. I may just still have that in me how she used to treat me for a child who just move from them community. No know nobody and like me live with una every minute when your friend them a come over here, throw up my things them outside. And them something that is the same like how when I used to live with them, nothing ever there in the house empty. And we there in the empty house. And like nobody never come then a friend now come over there when the house furnished now. Everybody a come over there. Them a step on in the house with them mud up foot and them something that the snow. Me have to wipe out snow every minute because my client them a come. Me can't make the client them come in the house dirty and them something there. When the clothes them throw me have to bag them in back, fold them and them something there. And then after now till it reach a point, my turn and I say it's either them or me because the end of the day, I have to work to give you money. I have to work for give her money. She not ask me for rent and them something there. But she's not working, so like I have to support her with her weed. Because I know say once she have her weed, when my client them come, she a go quiet. So me make that be my job for be her weed. So that's why that never ever be my problem to give her weed. Me make that be my job for make sure me have $100 in my handbag for make sure me buy her weed in the morning, in the evening, and in the night. Anytime she want it. Me even would turn and say to her one time, girl, every time one client come, me I give $40. She said, no, sister, don't do that. I'ma say, all right, girl. But me still support her with her weed. But like if people pressure me, I'm gonna pressure you back. Me I gonna pressure you back. No, shouldn't ask for, we shouldn't ask for nothing and them something there and bother. I shouldn't really bother you and them something there in a bad to bad. Shouldn't really bother you. More than when trying to man a cuss. And then, like if she ask your opinion and you get her a wrong opinion, what she know what hear, she just ask her for leave. Exactly. But remember, me not gonna come back live, so me I give them everything in a one. Me I give them everything in a one. Like people just like leave me out on a problem on an argument, nothing because you bitches out there only not gonna see me right now at this point. I got come on no live and argue with Uno because the last time me do that, me got broke for 2 months. And me cannot afford that for happen again. Me just catch up back on my foot. And me cannot afford to make that happen again. Because them Batman is so fucking sad. So for the 400 odd people where they are so right now, have a wonderful day.